Anthony, are you driving? What are you driving? Is it a convertible Mini Cooper? Well, this is a we in the auto show today. There's over 1,000 cars, and they are in a convertible Mini Cooper. Let's see them. Oh my goodness, this is the Mini. But let's take a look. Mini at the back. This is in the Jarvis Center. It's absolutely huge. And we haven't been to an auto show for over 10 years. So we thought it'd be fun to take him. Just one of the exhibition hall out of many. Anthony? Did you like the Mini Cooper?